Hey guys, how you doing today? Today is August 26th and this is day number 12. And as you can see here, I got my lucky Cubs hat on. And besides having some luck for the Cubs, I'm hoping it's definitely had some lucks with L7 trading. Again today, since a 24-hour period, I have averaged 4 trades and averaged a little over 5% today, total earnings between those 4 trades. So another wow day with L Trade. Now, as I said, I've been in there 12 days. On L Trade, you can trade, L7 trade, you can do about 10 different coins. I'm honestly focusing only on Bitcoin. I have some friends who are dabbing in the altcoins because they believe in that platform and want to accumulate more of those coins. But overall, I have found out through spreadsheets and watching and logging that Bitcoin is providing overall the best return. So I'm really focused on Bitcoin. And it is the granddaddy of the crypto, and it is doing outstanding. I know it's been a little volatile, and that really helps you out in the arbitrage trading. And that's what we're doing. With L7.trade, you are doing what's called arbitrage trading. If you've been around crypto, you know there's a lot of companies making buttloads of money or crypto doing arbitrage trading, and they give you a little percentage of that piece of pie. Well, with this platform, you get a bigger piece of the pie, a much bigger piece of the pie. Arbitrage trading is where you find something low, you quickly buy it and sell it for something high, getting that spread. So the bigger the spread, obviously the bigger the profits. And that's what the platform does for you automatically. So let me take you inside the dashboard of the trading platform and you can see what's happening. And I'm actually going to do a live trade for you so you can see it's happening, and I'll show you executed some trades and really how simple this is. First of all, it costs nothing out of pocket. Second of all, there is no monthly cost. Third of all, there's no software to install. Fourth of all, you can do it from a tablet. You can do it from an iPhone, an Android phone, a computer. You can do it from anything you can access the internet because the website is cloud-based and mobile-friendly. So overall, you can do this anywhere, and it takes less than 90 seconds to do a trade, and you don't have to look at nothing. It tells you what to do. So let's go inside and take a peek, okay? Hey guys, here we are at the L7 front door, their website. You can see it's a pretty informative website. There's a minimum amount you need to trade each per coin. You can go all the way down at the bottom of the website where you see fees and limits. You can click on that. It'll tell you the minimum you can trade without any KYC or know your customer. If you want to trade larger amounts, you got to be verified. They are strict on compliance, which is good, Now, if you want to get started an account here, you need an affiliate number, and I'm going to provide my affiliate number or link right below here. So if you'd like to join us in our trade, and I'll get more into why you might want to consider our group and our team. But to get going here, you click Start Trade, and you simply fill out the information right there. Your login name, you're going to create your email, your password, you confirm it, and so forth. That's how simple it is to create an account. Now, like I said, that will allow you to trade some decent side trades. If you want to get larger amounts, you need to get verified, and you need a passport, driver's license, and proof of residence, and all that's covered inside. So let's go on inside and take a look at the dashboard. So let me see here. Let me pause the video as I log in. Okay, here we're inside the dashboard, if you will, of the L7 Trade software and platform. You can see right here, here on the top, the tabs. These are the altcoins you can do arbitrage trading. Obviously, there's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, Zcash, Stellar, and some weird Bitcoin Gold and Ripple. And you can see, for example, Ethereum, they're looking at 21 different exchanges for the highest price and lowest price. On Litecoin, there's 26. Bitcoin always has the most. Right now, there's 37. I've seen it as high as 40. So how hard is it to start trading with Bitcoin, with this? Well, guys, first of all, see the amount of Bitcoin I'm trading with currently, just shy of a half a Bitcoin. I have built this up considerably in the last week and a half almost. I'm at, like I said, day 12. So I'm going to go ahead and execute the trade. I'm putting all of my Bitcoin. There is really no advantage to not putting all of a crypto into there because you can only execute one trade of that particular coin. For example, I can't take a whole Bitcoin and cut it in half and put two Bitcoin trades. It won't allow you to do that. You can do a Bitcoin and your Ethereum trade and a Ripple trade and so forth. But again, I have found out and I converted all my crypto into Bitcoin because that was the best returns on the rewards. So that's why I have only Bitcoin in there right now. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. I put in 0.46 Bitcoin. Now it's telling me there's a buyer out there that's going to buy it for 106.79 in exchange for 10,679. Right there, that's Lake BTC. Now there's someone that is going to, I can buy it at 99.21. So let me find 99.21 real quick. 99.21 right there. Now, so now what's going to happen, I go down here, and here's all the transparency you need, the volume, this is the amount of Bitcoin I'm trading. Here's the selling price. Here's the commission, the buyer, the agent who's taking care of the transaction. Here's how does the company make money? Great question. They take 40% of your profit. And before you have a heart attack over 40% of your profit, ask you this. If you're still netting 1%, 2% per trade, even a half a percent per trade, that's 2% a day. Do you really care how much they're making as long as you're getting a bigger piece of the pie? Now, as you can see right down here, the person referred me is getting something. They're getting 21% of my profit. My share of the pie is 34%. Now, I got to say thank you to the referrer who referred me. They're getting 21% of my profit. I am still netting $63. Right now, Bitcoin's hovering around $10,000, so it's pretty easy. That's $63 on 4,600 dollars worth of Bitcoin. Again, about a 1.3%. Guys, it's amazing. Now, this is taking a longer time because I'm explaining to you. So I'm going to start from scratch and show you exactly how long it takes to execute a trade. I put my Bitcoin up here. I hit apply. I look for the price, 10,679. I'm going to scroll down acting like I'm pretending to look for it. There it is. Now I'm going to go over here and look for the buying price, 99.24. I'm going to start at the bottom here, 99.21 right there. I check it. I click this box. It takes me down here. Bottom line, if it's green, you're in profit. I know I'm in profit because it's green. I execute the trade. It's saying, do you really want to do this? I'm saying, yes, I do. Boom, trade executed. Less than 30 seconds to execute a trade from the minute you log in to the minute you log out. That's how easy it is. You don't need to read charts. You don't need to read news articles. You don't need to know if there's news events. All you need to know is it's green. If it's green, you're in profit. Next. And now I'm going to go back and enjoy watching reruns of Gilligan's Island or whatever. Because that's how easy it is, guys, to execute a trade here. So now you can see it's rating there. I go to my online orders. It's a brand new order. I can go here. You can see, you can track the process. Here's all the steps it needs to execute. The last one is to return the funds. Between trades, it takes about 5 hours. You're going to ask why? Because they do an audit after every trade. It takes 5 hours, so I'm getting about a little over 4 trades per day. And here's all my trading history. You can see I got 3 pages. You can see every trade here. I'm going to show you the last trade that closed out. Show you the preliminary. That's what we just looked at. The preliminary is the estimation on what you're going to profit between the two exchanges. The bigger the spread, the more profit. It estimated I was going to make $53 or 0.00535 of Bitcoin. Now you go down here and there's the actual performance. Here you can see all the check marks that it went through. I actually made 5254. It was slightly less. Sometimes it's slightly more, sometimes it's slightly less. Now, if there's a radical difference, it cancels the trade out. You will not lose money on this. They will cancel the trade out. I've had it happen. Let me go here and show you what I mean. Let me go back. I had one cancel last night. Let me see if I can find it here. Boom, canceled. It went south. So instead of executing the trade in that little milliseconds, a few minutes that it takes to do it, one of the exchanges adjusted their prices. And the software said, oh, no, that's not what you told us. And it canceled. So you really have a very, very low risk. Now, guys, I am not a financial consultant. I'm not a crypto expert. I'm sharing my experiences here. And please understand, there are risks with crypto. There's risk with everything, walking across the street. Obviously, this is a little higher risk than walking across the street, but there are risks. So I'm sharing my experiences here, and you need to do your own due diligence. I'm just letting you know what is possible here with trade, with L7 trade. So let me go ahead. How do you put money in it? It's real simple. You go to your wallet, and here are all the coins. You can hit the replenish button. That's where you get the wallet address. That's my Bitcoin address right there. If you want to send me some Bitcoin, I'll be happy to trade it and keep the profits, of course. Just joking there. What you do here, you can go to the history. Let me show you the history here. I got Bitcoin. I started out in Ethereum. And then I saw the differences in the profit or the rewards. And I decided to sell my Ethereum, convert it to Bitcoin because it was a bigger spread. It was higher. And how did I know that? Well, there's a little eye up here. On that little eye you see up here in the black, what you have is the coins that you're able to trade. It tells you the minimum amount. For example, Bitcoin is 0.02. Now, if you're using the minimum amount of Bitcoin, you're going to average right now 0.71 profit per trade. That's an average. This number is going to change constantly. If you're using the average volume, not the minimum, and actually it's not 1 BTC, it's 0.1. We've confirmed that with support. You're going to average 1.37 profit right now. I told you I was getting about 1.25. Well, there you can see what I'm getting. But these numbers change every few minutes. You can see Zcash 1.07, Dash 1.17, BSC Bitcoin SV 0.59. Bitcoin Gold, 0.88, 0.45. Now, I want you to notice a couple things here. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. You need a half of Ethereum. Excuse me. A minimum of a half a coin of Ethereum. Now, if you're just using the minimum, you can expect 0.38% profit. Is that bad? You can times 4 trades a day. You're still looking at 1.5% a day. But if you're using the average Ethereum, which is 3, you're talking $50 or $90 with Ethereum minimum. And if you're going to use the average, which they recommend 3, so that's roughly $600, we'll say, you're going to almost double the percentage in profits. Now, not every coin does that. You can see 7.8 here, 8.3 here. Bitcoin usually has a pretty good spread. Minimum 0.71. The average is 1.37. I'm in that range. You definitely want to have 0.1 Bitcoin and work it up there as soon as possible, if not more. So there's the trades, and you can see all my trades here. Down here on the trades, let me go to my trades and show you what they've been looking at real quick here. Let's go ahead and click a few. I'm just going to randomly click a couple here. Oh, those are actual what I started with here. So let me get to Bitcoin. Go down here, history. Let's go right here. Let's see what happened here. I put in 0.4196. I actually earned 62, so I put in about $4,100, almost $4,200. Earned $62. Again, you can see it over 1%. And actual was 5872. They predicted, what did they predict? Let's see. Oops. Preliminary says 5259. I actually got 5.8. I got way above what they predicted. So you can see that there was a pretty good profit margin there. So guys, this is it. It's real simple. Takes 90 seconds to execute a trade. You can go to my website. I got a referral number here. It's join, HTTP, joinl7.com. Joinl7.com. It'll take you right to the referral link. We do have a marketing system. We're giving everyone who joins our group right now. We have about 200 people. We got a very active Facebook group. everyone helping everyone out there, giving some tip suggestions. There is an auto trade feature right here. You can do auto trade. I don't because they take 10% of your more profits. I like to keep all my profits myself. Now there is a little trick with auto trade that I can share with you if you join our group that can help you earn through the night and do pretty well. But you got to join our group for that information. Sorry. So there's an auto trade. We are giving the marketing system. We have our Facebook group. We have webinars several times a week. So you can share this with people because it has a 21% referral program. It's a single level affiliate, but I'm telling you, anyone who I shared this with who knows crypto understands arbitrage trading, understands the profits companies are making, and wow. But you want to play it safe, and everything you do, only put in what you can risk to afford to lose. They say that every time. Some people don't listen. So, guys, this is day number 12. Profits today were over 5% for the entire day. Rewards in crypto, I earned over 5% Bitcoin today. I earned over 6% in Bitcoin yesterday. Now, these are not guarantees. There's nothing guaranteed in crypto, as you know. But as of so far, these 12 days have been pretty amazing and is continuing. So, guys, we look forward to talking to you tomorrow on day 13 of L7.trade. See you soon.